Welcome to the 10th module, where we will discuss DAOs. A DAO is a Decentralized Autonomous Organization, a type of bottom-up entity structure with no centralized authority. Members of a DAO own tokens of the DAO and can vote on initiatives for their entity. Smart contracts are implemented for the DAO, and the code governing the DAO's operation is publicly disclosed. First DAO, also known as the Genesis DAO, was introduced in 2016 by the Ethereum community. The DAO had a creation period during which anyone was allowed to send Ether to a unique wallet address in exchange for DAO tokens. The creation period was an unexpected success as it managed to gather over 12.7 million ETH, worth around $150 million at the time, making it the biggest crowd fund ever. At some point, when Ether was trading at $20, the total Ether from the DAO was worth over $250 million. In essence, the platform would allow anyone with a project to pitch their idea to the community and potentially receive funding from the DAO. So anyone with the DAO tokens could vote on plans and would then receive rewards if the project turned profit. So with the financing in place, things were looking up. On June 17, 2016, a hacker found a loophole in the coding that allowed him to drain funds from the DAO. So in the first few hours of the attack, 3.6 million ETH were stolen, the equivalent of $70 million at the time. So after that, Ethereum forked. That's why we now have Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. We have many DAOs operating now. So while DAOs are becoming more and more decentralized, there is still a big legal uncertainty. We experienced legal prosecution of DAO members. There were also other legal cases, all due to the missing legal framework. So if you try to imagine DAOs operating across borders, joining communities from all over the world, so how do you solve this legally? So DAOs have great promise, and I'm sure a great future. So in the future, they will evolve into nation states, joining same-minded people or people driven by the same interests. DAOs can breach the digital boundaries and expand into physical world, purchasing land, real estate, and building communities, become real DAO nation states. So there's no telling what the future will bring.